Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we'll be unboxing the final aircraft from this 4-pack bundle of the PIA Special Colors of the Desert livery. Let's get into it.
पहली उड़ान PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
So similar to the previous 4 models that we had unboxed, we have our similar Boeing 777-300ER name, our PIA logo, our white, dark green, and then beige color. Our 4 different liveries, we have already unboxed the Gardens of Mughal livery, the Silk Route we have already unboxed, and today we'll be unboxing the colors of the Desert livery. This is a 1 to 200 scale model by JCWINGS as well. At the back, nothing very special, same our beige white background, our JCWINGS logo, and that's pretty much it. So similar to the previous models, the box is a bit stiff, so I will unpack it and then show you guys the box inside. So here we have our box. We'll go ahead and open it up. Wow, already see the beautiful tail design. We have our one plastic on top of the aircraft. So in every JCWINGS and in-flight model, we have our landing gear down. We also have our landing gear up with 2 sticks for the engine fan blade. Our one pre-built stand, it is wooden as well. Our PIA logo, Boeing 777-300ER 1 to 200 scale. And then our very unique colors of the Desert livery. Wow. Very beautiful. So we'll go ahead and put in our landing gears and then we will start with our up-close review. So here we have our landing gear down. We'll start out with our nose gear. This one is a 360 rotatable, but the gears, wheels don't move. Put in our left gear, then our right. Same here, our gears move up and down, but the wheels don't unfortunately move. But either way, it definitely looks beautiful. So we'll put in our stand. Wow, definitely looks amazing. So as you can see on the front of the aircraft, we have our detailed nose cone, our detailed cockpit windows, our PIA logo in Urdu, our PIA name with the white body color going in with the dark green stripe, and then our beige color moving into the back. Same with our engine, our gem beacon light, our antenna, our detailed nose gear with the registration Hotel Victor. We also have our detailed passenger doors as well as our passenger windows. And then same with all our models, we have our engine fan blades that move. Sometimes they do get stuck inside, but they do move. And the detail on them is very accurate as well. Love the GE90s. definitely a beautiful and strong engine. So on the top of the right wing, we have our registration with the body livery, our beige color, our name Thar, colors of the desert name, Boeing 777-300ER, and then our registration Alpha Papa, Bravo Hotel Victor, our Pakistan flag with the Pakistan name underneath, and that one our gorgeous, beautiful tail design with our PIA logo on the tail. Same with our exhaust design. This is a paint job. This isn't embedded inside. We do have our detailed strobe light design, but nothing at the bottom. Still very unique, very beautiful livery. Out of these three model liveries, this is probably one of my favorite. I love the blue on the tail. It definitely stands out, but definitely having all four or all three of these in my collection in 1:200 scale is very special. So we have our same design, our beautiful tail livery, Pakistan flag, Pakistan name, Thar, colors of the desert, our registration, Boeing 777-300ER, our bulk door, and then our cargo door, our passenger doors, and then passenger windows, our detailed antennas as well on the top. Moving into the front, we have our detailed engine as well as our beige color, our dark green stripe, and then our white body, our PIA name, our PIA logo in Urdu, and then our nose gear, our gem beacon light as well on the top. Definitely an outstanding livery. JCWINGS has done an amazing job. I just only wish that the gears or the tires are movable. I wish they weren't just fixed in, but either way, very beautiful model. So same with the other three liveries. We have nothing underneath the body. We just have our APU design, our tail strike design, our antennas, our landing gear doors, and then our stand input, our beacon light gem, engines, gears, and then our registration on the left wing, our beige body with the dark green stripe, and then our white color in the front, and then our movable nose gear with our nose gear door. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review of this beautiful PIA Boeing 777-300ER in the colors of the desert livery. Definitely a unique model in my collection. JCWINGS has done an amazing job on this paint scheme. I'm just hoping that they do another release in 1:400 scale with the same tails with more detail and obviously better quality. But either way, beautiful model. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and put notifications on so you never miss out on any of my future and daily model reviews from my PIA collection. Once again, thanks guys, and we'll see you soon. Take care.